Okay, Mommy. I'm so sorry. This whole time I didn't tape it, but now I'm taping it. So go ahead and tell me the story of Mana Luling.
Mama Luling is from Palo. Anak ito si Mama Luling ni Papa Juan.
Okay, and Mana Luling is, what is her relationship to you?
My Mama Luling and my mother is first cousin.
What is Mana Luling's full name?
Luling lang.
Yeah, Luling. What's
Wala.
Luling Colinares?
No. He is not a relative of my father, but he is first cousin. She is first cousin by my mother.
Yeah, but what's her last name?
Oh, Reposar. My mother is Reposar.
So Luling Repusar.
Oo.
And
R-E-P-U-S-E-R.
no, I know that. How do you spell Luling?
Lu. L-O. Ling.
Ah, okay.
L-I-N-G.
And she was from what town?
Palo. Palo.
Palo is P-A-L-O?
Oo. Palo is P-A-L. Palo. P-A-L-O. Na ano ito, Mama Luling got pregnant sa mayaman nga Chapman. Because ang mga mayaman noon, doon sa Tacloban, ito si Chapman, mga Amerikano, Chapman, si Mr. Chapman, Mr. Price, Mr. Brook, ayun ang mga Amerikano nga.
Now, Mr. Chapman...
Yung World War I, it did happen ang World War I. Doon sila inabot ng war sa Leyte, sa Tacloban.
Right, they're the Americans who bought big lands in Philippines.
Ano sila? Hindi big lands. They were the one in the engineering. They were the one who developed the highways of Tacloban. Mga karsada. Yung mga Amerikano na yan.
So he was mayaman?
O mga mayaman ito, mga Amerikano.
Okay.
Because they were the one who developed the highways in Tacloban.
Okay, then tell the story about Mr. Chapman and Luling.
Mama Luling na anakan ni Chapman because inano ito si Mama Luling inakyat mga 6 o'clock ginrep doon si Mama Luling kaya nagbuntis Manaida is the only daughter of Mama Luling kay Chapman.
So Chapman did not marry Luling.
Oh, kasi married na siya kay Itak. Si Mana Itak, yun talaga ang asawa ni Chapman. But Mana Itak is from Palo and illiterate. Mabuti pa si Mama Luling educated. Nakapag-aral si Mama Luling.
Okay, so he cheated on his wife.
Oo, Mama Luling is the cousin of your lola, my mother. And then, yan, nagbuntis si Mama Luling sa kay Chapman. Kaya ginrep nga.
Okay, what happened next? So she had Ida.
Manaida ang product. Ngayon,
whose name did Ida have? Repusar or Chapman?
Chapman. Kasi she was always with the Chapman. Every week, Chapman don't like nga Manaida will not dine with the family.
Ah, so she was part of the family, although she was, okay.
Kahit ibang nanay.
Mommy, was
kasi
Chapman...
ang real wife, ang the wife of Chapman is Mana Itak, who is
so she accepted Ida.
Mm-mm.
Now, did Mr. Chapman, was he in love with Luling?
I don't think, I think in love, pero during that time,
You don't leave your wife.
Ang mga parents ino-obey ng mga anak. Gusto yata ni Chapman aasawahin si Mama Luling, pero ang parents and the father si
Okay.
Papa Juan,
So Ida Chapman grew up as the recognized daughter of
daughter.
Mr. Chapman.
Oo, kasi kung may mga gathering, mga Sunday, ayaw ni Chapman kung si Mana Ida wala doon.
And he stayed married to Itak forever.
Oo, hanggang namatay siya. Nabalo siya.
And
sa Itak.
what about his other children?
Uy, ang dami. I can remember some of them.
So he had other children with
oo.
Itak.
10. They are 10.
Good Lord.
Teka, ang panganay talaga, ang primero, si Kuan. Hindi si Ina. Yan. Maalala ko lang yung mga, mayroon anak na Ina, mayroon Ima, mayroon Mary, mayroon Isel.
So they were all based in Palo.
Mga anak na ito, the real wife na ito, anak na ito. Anak sila ni Itak. O anak sila ni...
No, but Chapman,
ni
Chapman. Chapman was, they all lived in Palo.
No, Tacloban.
Okay.
Oo, city ang Tacloban. Palo is a town. Small town noon. So, yan. Naano sila. Pero, Mana Ida, anak siya sa labas. Kasi nagbuntis si Mama Loling.
No, I know that now, but what happened?
Ginrep lang si Mama Loling.
Yeah.
Pinuntan si Mama Loling sa bahay niya. Ginrep.
I know,
Kaya
I've
naging
already,
Mana Ida.
Mommy, I've already got that recorded. So, where is Ida now? Do you know?
When I was still there in Philippines, I saw Mana Ida. Yung movie house,
Mhm.
ticket sa movie house, yeah.
Did you talk?
I'm always talking. Sometimes nagbabakasyon yan doon kay Damama. My parents doon yan.
Was she nice, Ida?
Kasi, oo. Maganda. Amerikano talaga. Hindi Pinoy. Kung anong kaputi ng mga real
I need to try to see if I can.
yung mga real children niya.
Do you know what her children's names are?
Sa wife, sa legal wife. Ang legal wife.
No, Ida.
si
I'm sure Ida got married.
Ida, okay na yan.
No, but she got married, right?
Ay, wala pa.
And had children?
Wala. Hindi walang... Oo. Ano siya?
I should look her up.
Pero hindi yun inabandon ni Chapman. Ay, sus Maria, hindi yun hanggang namatay na lang si Chapman.
Yeah, I'd be curious to know what are the name of her children, because I would love to look that up.
It's like this. Ang panganay, si Ima.
No, you're talking about Itak's children.
Yeah. Yan, ito na mga panganay. Si Mana Ida lang ang anak sa labas. Kay
Yeah,
Luling.
okay, so go ahead and tell me
Mama
who
Luling.
Itak's children were.
Kasi ni Mama.
So it would be Emma Chapman. What else?
Okay, primero, yun naalaala ko lang. Kasi 10 ang anak sa real wife niya. Ang real wife ni Chapman, si Itak.
Can you remember the names?
Oo, Itak is not educated.
Yeah, can you remember the names of Itak's children?
Okay. Ang primero na anak, si Emma. Emma was residing in Samar because